There's another human mask right here. Alright, I found this is a money tree. Amazing. Lots of exhibits. I think 10,000 exhibits is not too small a number. A guided tour. I think it's some kind of Chinese words, but it's complicated. Even I know Chinese, it takes time to understand them. So the ancient day, they do some farming and raise some crops to survive. Greetings from Sichuan, China, Chengdu. I'm now at the Sichuan Museum. Let's go. Asian Sichuan Gallery 1. This is interesting, a mysterious kingdom, the Chengdu era. This was well researched by researchers. The history is diverse and many. And look at the mask. There's actually 2 museums in Chengdu that offers more exploration. One is the Chengdu, another one, I forgot the name, but there are 2 museums. I've been to one. Oh, the other one is Jinsha. I've been to Jinsha. There's another human mask right here. Oh, are you guys scared? This is actually the wine vessel to store wine, but they have like a lot of patterns on it. Same for the right side, and there are some weapons right here. Battle axe. Wow. Subscribe if you enjoyed the video so far and give a like so that more people can find the video. Thanks very much. So the history of China is really well and diverse. It takes time to study them. And right here, a big knife. Puppetry of the Roman 3 kingdoms. There's the war exhibition right here, level 1. Wow, lots of war heroes here. Oh, this is a replica of the stones used to repair the airport during the resistance of the Japanese. Hey, there's a very beautiful, colorful bowl. Some personal items of the commandos of the China, including the uniform. There's a very nice thumb honored pattern, special exhibition of auspicious patterns of the Sichuan ethnic group right here. There are 3 floors for the Sichuan Museum. At the top floor now, let's check out. Inside the first gallery, Asian Sichuan. Look at this, it's like artifact from the Sun Xingdui era. Alright, some of the Buddhist artifacts. Some nice figurines. Unique function Sichuan. Over here we have a costume of the Yi people, which is minority tribe. Over here the tools for making stuff. There's a couple of masks here, copper mask and the wood mask. And look at the big uniform. Tibetan costumes, the hats, even the accessories. Guess what is this? The hat for a religious ceremony. Religious musical instrument made by animal horns. There's a nice cafe at level 3 with red lanterns and good dining experience. Right now at level 2, prehistoric Sichuan. It means the olden Sichuan days. Okay, there's something interesting. The cavemen doing their stuff, like making a fire. There's some kind of chopper and scraper here. Some nice houses. So now we're going to explore the gallery tour of the ancient Sichuan Diating Taihan Sanguo Shidai. By the way, there's some nice ice cream. All these places, the museum is really big. And right here we have the stuff, the copper coin model, bronze copper plate, bronze seal, bronze sword, bronze mount, and the emperor photo, pottery figurines. We have the pottery room right here.
因为这个车呢叫摇车，当然我说的是3匹马。 坐车人的身份很贵，尊贵是吧？非常尊贵。但这个车呢，只有车顶四周没有遮盖，清的看到价格变。
The pottery of some animals, dogs, pigs, and rooster. More potteries. In fact, I think there are 30 of them right here.